Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix favorite sounds not showing on TikTok. So guys, if you're using any device, iPhone or iPad or Android phone, and when you have opened your TikTok and want to use favorite sounds and facing the issue that favorite sounds are not showing or not appears on your home screen, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after doing this, you need to disconnect your VPN if connected, and now you have to open App Store. And if you're using Android phone, you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search TikTok. And after this you have to open your TikTok and update your app, and after doing update all the features will be fixed. And after this you need to go back, check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open your settings here and click on general. After this you have to click on iPhone storage, and from here you have to wait for some seconds. Now you have to open your TikTok and offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and after this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, you have to open your TikTok, click on main profile, click on three lines and click on settings and privacy, and after this you have to scroll it down and click on report a problem. After this you have to wait, and now from here you have to click on account and profile, and after this you have to click on profile page, and you need to scroll it down, and here you can see the option of to manage favorite collection. You have to click on this, and now you have to click on no, click on need more help, and after this you have to write here your problem that you are facing again and again, and upload a screenshot in which you are facing that problem. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, simply you have to submit your appeal. Within few minutes they will respond to you, and your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.